In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Calendly booking page for 2025. Whether you're setting up your booking page for the first time or looking to give your current setup a refresh, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide that will help you personalize your scheduling experience. Let's begin by visiting the Calendly homepage. If you're not there already, open your web browser and navigate to calendly.com. Once you're on the site, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your account credentials to gain access to your dashboard. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard automatically. Once you've arrived at your dashboard, it's time to select or create the event type you'd like to customize. Look for the option to open an existing event or create a new one. If you're editing an existing event, click on the event type name to open up the editing options. Your first step in customization is typically to edit the basic details. Update the event name, location, and description. Make sure these are clear and informative so visitors know exactly what they're booking. Next, you'll want to customize your event availability. Within the event editor, look for the section labeled "When can people book this event?" This is where you can adjust the days and times you're available, as well as set buffers to ensure you have downtime between meetings. Appearance is also an important aspect of customization. If your plan allows it, add a custom link, sometimes referred to as a vanity URL. Additionally, you can further personalize your appearance by uploading a photo or a company logo to your profile. To do this, navigate to Settings, then select Account Settings, and finally Photo. Gathering information from your invitees can enhance your scheduling process. In the event editor, you'll find an option called Invitee Questions. Click on it and add the fields you need to get relevant information from your invitees before they book a time with you. With all these adjustments made, you're almost done. Once you've tailored everything to your liking, make sure to apply your changes to your selected event type. Click on the option to apply to one event type to ensure your customizations are saved for the specific event you've been editing. Finally, don't forget to save all your changes. There should be a Save Changes button that will finalize and implement all your edits. Once saved, click on View Booking Page to preview how your customized booking page will look to your visitors. With these steps, you have successfully customized your Calendly booking page for 2025. Now, your scheduling setup should be both welcoming and efficient, reflecting your unique style and preferences. Happy scheduling!